Hi guys, welcome to another edition of SuperToy. Today we have this Eon Toys do-it-yourself toy blocks. It's a building blocks car series, has a replaceable toy set. So it should be the crane truck. We'll go ahead and open this and see what we have inside. So I'm opening it from here. So here is the crane truck and some other stuff which comes with this set. And actually, let me go and show you the back of this box where it tells you what other vehicle it can come on this set. So here are a whole bunch of them, as you can see, and we got the crane one in here. So this set should have this functionality, as you can see it in here. So as I mentioned it earlier, the set comes with the tools. The tools are here. There's the set. 3 different styles. Okay, we'll go ahead and start opening this. So here's the crane itself. Looks pretty realistic. Can move up and down. It's pretty nice. And there's a steering wheel inside here. Let me go and use this tool to open some of the screws and nuts and bolts. So here's the flathead. I'll go and change it to this one here, and now I can go ahead and open one of these just like this. Look at this now, and the tire is off. To put it back in, I'm just gonna simply put this in. Put this back in with my hand and use the tool to tighten it up. There it is. So there should be some sound coming from this vehicle. Let me go ahead and try it. Here is the battery removal thing. I'm going to remove it. So those are some of the different sounds we have in this vehicle, and you can use these tools to disassemble this and put it back in. I'm not going to do it because it's going to take a long time. It's already assembled for us, and looks pretty solid to me. Looks pretty amazing, guys. And you saw the sounds it makes, the tools as I showed you. And here are some other signs it comes with this set. The kids can play with these signs, put it around the crane and make it more fun. So this was a very cool looking crane, guys. I liked it. Thanks for watching the video today, guys. We had fun making this video. Please like and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.